So this video is about making some Black Widow props and a box for them to go in, specifically Black Widow props. So I looked at these two logos, one with the extra line round and then the traditional logo. None of them really captured me, so I thought, well, she's also an Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D. Perhaps I could use that. And in looking, I also found this one, which I thought, oh, this really pops, and I like this one. So these were used on the props, and then used a laser cutter for the box. A friend of mine has one. He also helped with the design, so we looked at various logos and how they would shape around the box, and he sort of put those designs together. He's a better drawer than I am, and also he knows the software for this laser cutter. So you can see the edges and the sides as it's cut, and then you'll see the box later. So we use some shoe polish because it's sort of wax oil based, so it will actually protect the wood as well as colour it. Here you see the box and you can see the design going over the edge, the S.H.I.E.L.D. logo and the Black Widow logos. The tape is holding it together, it's been PVA'd at the sides. Here's some of the shoe polish, that's the light brown one. So yeah, I made some props to go into it. You can't see them here, you can see them on my other apps. YouTube.
No, Mr. Bond, I expect you to die.
You can see them on my other apps, YouTube and Instagram. But yeah, here's the logo with the colour. You can see the brown of the wood, taking up that polish, the grey polish here, the edge protectors. And there's the Black Widow logo, so different reds to give it some layering. Again, the fixings, the edging. Used PVA glue. And then for inside, used layers of 6mm EVA foam to cut out the space for things that are going inside. Here you can see all of the fixtures and the hinges and the different colours, all goes together. So cut the different layers for the shapes so the different things are going to fit in, and then PVA those together once we worked out that they'll fit. You can just about see what's inside, but I can't really show you because of this app. But yeah, those are the fixtures at the front. My wife loved it.